This video I'm going to share the 4 products from Skin Active Scientific that I've already tried, and I already even started seeing initial skincare results with less than a week use. So we're used to hearing that you need to wait a really long time for your skincare products to start working. I absolutely agree with that. It will take you a few months to start seeing results, but your products should deliver some instant benefits as well. So as I'm reviewing the products, we're going to talk about who these products are best for, what type of skin. We're also going to talk about the key ingredients and the key benefits of the products and how to use them. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 4 new products from Skin Active Scientific, and this is their barrier repair line. The 4 products I'm going to be reviewing are the cleanser, the serum, a moisturizer, and the oil. The first product we're going to talk about is the cleanser, which is usually the first step of your skincare routine, or in the evening, it's the second step of your skincare routine after you remove your makeup. This is called Repairing Cleanser, and you will see on the bottom that it says with salicylic acid. When we think of salicylic acid, we think it's gonna be drying on the skin, and for a lot of the salicylic acid cleansers, this can be the case, but not for this cleanser. So let's talk about who this cleanser is for. This cleanser will be excellent for anyone who wants a deep cleanse, but without the feeling of tightness and dryness. And I know a lot of cleansers claim they do exactly just that. But in the whole history of me trying lots of products, I haven't been able to find a cleanser that does both until now. So this is one of the very few cleansers that again give you the clean feeling without stripping your skin. And I think it has a lot to do with the formula and the active ingredients in it. Yes, it does contain salicylic acid, which in higher concentrations can be drying on the skin because it's used for acne, blackheads, any pore issues. But this product only uses 0.5% salicylic acid, so it's absolutely non-drying for your skin. This is also one of the few cleansers that I felt like it really helped me minimize my pores. Even after 1 or 2 uses, my pores looked cleaner and more minimized. The other 2 ingredients that are really great to keep your pores clean and even minimize them would be the niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, and this cleanser contains gluconolactone. Gluconolactone is a PHA, polyhydroxy acid, that really gently exfoliates your skin. And this cleanser also contains a small amount of PHA. So you're not going to over-exfoliate your skin, and it's gonna be okay to use it with other exfoliating products as well. As far as the hydrating and barrier strengthening ingredients in the cleanser go, we got Tremella mushroom, which is a really hydrating ingredient that holds moisture in your skin. You also have low molecular size hyaluronic acid, known as sodium hyaluronate. And we also have ceramides, and ceramides are proven to repair your skin barrier. So again, the formula of this cleanser is really beautiful. It's really creamy, it foams very nicely. All you need is 1 pump of the cleanser, and I have a smaller face, so find that for me 1 pump can be even a little bit too much product. Like I don't even need to use that much product. Whereas with other cleansers, sometimes I felt like I needed 2 pumps and they weren't cleansing enough, or they were just not foaming at all. So this has nice foaming action, but it doesn't feel drying, and I guarantee you, you will not feel like your skin is stripped of its natural oils. So now let's talk about who should be using this cleanser in regards of skin types. I have oily skin, and it's been more oily since I moved to Texas. So this cleanser is excellent for me. If you have normal to dry skin type, you still should be able to use this cleanser because again, it has a lot of barrier strengthening ingredients. People with sensitive skin can absolutely use this cleanser as well. The reason why I'm really excited about this cleanser is because I had clients who had normal to dry skin type or who had oily skin, but they were extremely sensitive and they didn't like the drying acne products that are on the market. So for these two types of clients, this would be such a perfect cleanser. But I think if you are going to be using this cleanser, then you need to have a reason for it. You either need to have oily skin, struggle with blackheads, sebaceous filaments, or again, if you have normal to dry skin that's acne prone, you will like this cleanser. If you never break out, don't have pore issues, if you don't feel like you need the deep cleanse, then this may not be the cleanser for you. So trust your knowledge about your skin to make the right decision for yourself. The next product we're going to talk about is this Gentle Perfecting Serum that also has 0.5% salicylic acid. So this is one of those cases where we look at the product, and if I just looked at the packaging, I would think there's really nothing that special about this product. You know, salicylic acid is not that hard to find, but when you look at the ingredient list, then you're like, oh yeah, this is an amazing product with amazing transformational ingredients. I need to try this. This is a really amazing multitasking serum that will do a little bit of everything. If you have sensitive skin and you cannot use a lot of active ingredients like vitamin C or retinol, this would be a really amazing serum for you. The first group of ingredients it contains that's really important for healthy skin, it contains really great antioxidants. It contains a really powerful antioxidant that's called astaxanthin, and this is not something that's commonly found in skincare products. You're probably wondering now what is astaxanthin and where it derived from, what it's used for. Astaxanthin is derived from brown algae, and brown algae produces it as a response to UV radiation. This is why this is such a powerful, naturally derived antioxidant that helps you both prevent and repair UV damage. The next powerful ingredient in this serum is, of course, salicylic acid, but you get in like a little hint, so it's only 0.5%, so it's not going to be drying on the skin, but it will help minimize the pores, which with aging, some women get larger pores. So it will help your pores feel nice and tight, and it will also be really hydrating because more than other active ingredients, this serum contains a lot of humectants. This serum contains glycerin, sodium PCA, and Tremella mushroom. Tremella mushroom has a tendency to expand, and it's usually compared to hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its weight in moisture, and I've read from several sources that Tremella mushroom holds even more volume of moisture in the skin than hyaluronic acid. And finally, this serum also contains cecal bioferment that has ability to soothe redness and irritation. So this would be a really good all-in-one multitasking serum that can hydrate your skin, repair your skin. This would be great for skin aging, hyperpigmentation. It will just keep your skin clear, healthy, and youthful. That being said, don't rely just on one ingredient, one antioxidant, on one product, on treating all of your skin concerns. So you definitely should be using, if you have dark spots or aging, other products that will also give you more of that anti-aging or brightening action. So I don't say that just using this serum alone will help you keep your skin even and youthful. But if you combine this with other products in your routine, you're going to have really amazing results. My personal experience with this serum was, it was really plumping. It gave me this beautiful glow, but it wasn't the glow coming from the product. I feel like that was the glow that it activated in my skin. So it felt like internal skin glow and not just some product sitting on the surface and causing my skin to be shiny. So if you're wondering when to use this serum, it can be used any time of the day. So in the morning, it does have antioxidant protection. It will protect your skin, and if you're using it at night, it will repair the UV damage. So you win either way. This will depend on what other products you're using in your routine. If you like using the same products morning and night, you can definitely use this serum both morning and night. Same with the cleanser, it can be used twice a day or just once a day. So now let's move on to moisturizer. It's called Berry Repair Cream. It comes in 2 sizes. I got 1 ounce. It also comes in 4 ounce size, which is great because if you really love it, you can get this value size, and usually you saving lots of money when you buy in a bigger value size of any product. Again, when you look at the package and you see barrier repair cream, you may be thinking, well, there's a lot of barrier creams on the market, so how is this one different? What made me fall in love with this product is the texture of it. A lot of the barrier repair creams out there are heavy, greasy, and sometimes they even contain fragrance, which doesn't make any sense to me. So this is a fragrance-free product, which I think is necessary for barrier repair. But this moisturizer contains ingredients that go beyond that. So it does contain barrier repair ingredients such as jojoba oil, squalane, avocado oil, and sweet almond oil. But in spite of all of these oils, it doesn't feel greasy. It feels really light. It feels lighter than any emollient moisturizer I ever used. It absorbs quickly. It goes on very nicely, but you know, some products, when you use them, they go in your skin and then you feel like there's nothing, like your skin is not hydrated and feels like the product is gone. So this product absorbs really, really well. It doesn't sit on top of your skin, but your skin feels moisturized for a really long time. This is what made me fall in love with this moisturizer. But on top of this moisturizer has some really serious anti-aging benefits. The benefits that will focus more on plumping the skin, giving you this firm, youthful appearance. It contains hydrolyzed collagen. As we know, collagen has hard time penetrating the skin. That's why it needs to be hydrolyzed. Means it needs to be smaller molecular size to penetrate. So they're like cutting it in pieces basically. It also has Tremella mushroom, which is similar to hyaluronic acid that's really plumping the skin. It has low molecular size hyaluronic acid known as sodium hyaluronate, and it also has oligopeptide 1. Peptides are also great for plumping, and when used right in the product, if the product has the right delivery system, peptides can also help you boost collagen, again if the molecular size is small enough to penetrate the skin. And finally, there's another really great ingredient in this product. It's called Laminaria Digitata extract that comes from seaweed. It's really great for redness, irritation, but it will also help you repair and prevent a lot of the UV damage. This would be also a great moisturizer to pair with your retinol or any other active serums. For example, if your serum contains HAs or vitamin C. So I don't like the word basic because this is really not a basic moisturizer. So I will say that it's not an active moisturizer, meaning it doesn't have any strong actives. So again, it can go with any other active serum. So I feel like people of all skin types could benefit from this moisturizer. If you like really heavy, greasy creams, then this may not be the cream for you because, as I mentioned, it's pretty light. Last but not least, let's talk about this Ultra Clarifying Blemish Oil. I'm going to be honest with you, I was never a person to put oil on my breakouts. I would usually either use a spot treatment or a serum. So I was reluctant to try this blemish oil. But I gotta tell you, this is probably the best spot treatment product I've ever used. I'm going to share with you the results. I took some pictures when I was trying this oil. The results are less than 12 hours apart. I applied the oil on my blemishes before I was going to bed. And the second picture is going to be in the morning when I woke up. This oil almost fully healed my blemish overnight, and it really reduced that acne mark because, as we know, once we get a breakout, then it takes like another week or two, and for people with deeper complexions, it takes even longer to treat the scarring that's left after having a breakout. That's why I really love this oil. I'm impressed by it. Another thing I like about this oil is because you can put it on a blemish, or if you have an area that's covered with them. So this oil would be great for that as well. It also smells really nicely. It's very unique, florally medicinal scent. I'm probably the worst person to describe the scents, so you would have to experience it. So now let's break down the ingredients in this oil. And once you hear them, you will not be surprised in why it works so well. This oil is like a powerhouse of different skincare ingredients that are really good. First, it contains several antimicrobial oils. I think it'll be easier to list them on the screen for you. And I'm going to explain what they are and what they do in the description under the video. It also contains salicylic acid. Again, a little hint, not too much, so that will help you with acne as well. It also contains some oils that are great for your skin barrier and hydration, such as linseed oil, sea buckthorn oil, and vitamin C. And finally, it contains some really great oils that help boost collagen, treat the acne marks, such as Rosehip and Pomegranate oils. And it also contains a little bit of gentle form of retinol known as Retinyl Palmitate. And one more ingredient, almost forgot, it contains bisabolol. It's an active ingredient in a chamomile that has those soothing anti-inflammatory properties. So when you put in all of this cocktail of these beautiful ingredients on your skin, it helps you not only treat your breakouts, but it also helps you get rid of the acne marks and heal your skin faster. So this oil would be excellent as a spot treatment for anyone who tends to break out. Even if you have sensitive skin, you shouldn't have any issues with this product. Obviously, everybody's different. Some people have uber sensitive skin that reacts to pretty much anything. So use your discretion and the knowledge of your own skin when trying any of these products. I hope you found this video helpful today. Let me know in the comments below what you think, what you want to try. If you're interested in trying any of the products, as I mentioned, I'm a Skin Active's partner. I can give you 15% off your first purchase. So reach out to me via my Instagram, either through DM or press the email button, and I will send you the link with a 15% off code. So I hope you really enjoyed this video today. Have a skintastic day, Queen. I'm going to be talking to you very soon.